Well, hi there guys, Mark here. Welcome today to a review on the DYU A1F folding electric bike. Stay tuned and I'll give you my thoughts on it. So a few little pedals and you can feel the assist kick in. It's very, very quiet and extremely smooth. So if you're looking for a commuter bike around town, you know, taking it on trains and buses and things like that, this could be just the job. So no speedo, it's all very simple stuff. Just effortlessly zipping along at the moment. I'm guessing about 12-13 miles an hour with minimal effort because of the pedal assist. You can sort of feel it kicking in. Right, we'll just try the brakes out. Mechanical disc brakes, front and rear. Yeah, plenty strong enough. So a couple of pedals and away we go with the assist. So I've never ridden a bike with such small wheels, 16-inch wheels. And it's very, very agile, you know, for darting in and out of traffic. I can see why these sort of little mini commuter bikes make good sense. Front brake on its own, still bedding in, quite a new bike, but it's got a good bit of bite there. Back brake is very good. So it's all fully adjustable here. On the handlebars, up and down. Seat's got a massive range on it, so I say if you're 5 foot tall to 6 foot tall, this bike's going to fit you. Even though it's compact dimensions, I've still got plenty of legroom here, and it doesn't actually feel that small to ride. It just feels cheeky and fun, really. And it rolls really nicely on this tarmac, even with the small wheels. No problems at all. I've been on this little electric bike for about an hour this morning, and this seat is extremely comfortable. Even though it's not got suspension, it's still a very nice ride. Right, so we're going to take it up a little hill in a minute, see how the pedal assist helps. We're here in Poole, south of England. Right, we're going to just try it up this little tarmac hill now. That's working all right. So I'm having to obviously put a bit more effort in now. So we're going up here at a good rate of knots. Probably pushing about 50% of power from my legs to get it up this hill. But all in all, the little motor's doing very well. Come on, little bike. And there we are. No problems at all tackling, I know, 15-20 degree hills. Been pleasantly surprised by the little DYU. It's extremely comfortable, nippy, nice and portable to put in the back of your car or wherever you need to. And it's a really pleasant little fun bike to ride along, actually. So we'll just have a little final thoughts up here. Well, there we are guys, DYU A1F. A well-priced, decent little commuting e-bike. Tackles hills pretty well. Very smooth running with those little tyres and wheels. Pretty decent stopping power, even though it's just got mechanical disc brakes. Very comfortable ride, nice comfortable saddle, even though it's non-suspension. Nice that it comes with lights as standard. I say plenty of adjustment in the seat tube there, and the handlebars all very easy to adjust on the clamps. And there as well, all very simple, just one power assist level. General build quality looks pretty decent throughout. So single speed, so no worrying about gears. I found it to be absolutely fine in that respect, just for nipping about on. So an ideal little companion for commuting or taking in your caravan or your motorhome. So please guys, post your comments down below. Let me know what you think about these small, compact, folding e-bikes. Don't forget to like and share and subscribe as always. And I'll catch you again in a week or so for another two-wheeled review. Take care guys, all the best, and bye for now.